Agricultural applications of alkanes and alkenes. Alkanes and alkenes are two classes of hydrocarbons have broad applications in agriculture. Their properties including their stability, reactivity, and energy content make them invaluable components in various agricultural practices. Alkenes is a saturated hydrocarbons with single carbon-carbon bonds are the primary constituents of fossil fuels such as gasoline, diesel, and natural gas. In agriculture, these are essential for powering tractors and other machinery. Alkenes are used as a fuel source of drying crops, preserving food, and providing heat for livestock shelters. Alkenes is a unsaturated hydrocarbons with double bonds play a critical role in a plant growth and development. Ethene, a simple alkene, is a natural plant hormone that regulates various psychological processes, including fruit ripening. By applying ethene or ethene-releasing compound to crops, farmers can control the timing of harvest, improve fruit quality, and reduce post-harvest losses. Some herbicides are derived from alkene-containing compound. These herbicides kill weeds to minimize damage of the crop. Alkenes also are used for synthesis of various pesticides that helps to control pests and disease that can damage crop and it affects the crop yields. Pyrethroids, a class of synthetic insecticide, are derived from pyrethrum, a natural insecticide extracted from chrysanthemums. Pyrethroids are effective against a wide range of insects and have a relatively low toxicity to mammals. Alkenes derived from plant oils and fats can be converted into biofuels such as biodiesel and bioethanol. This can be used as a substitute for fossil fuels in agricultural, machinery, and transportation, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable agriculture.